Hello, my name is Fahmi, and as part of Digital Transformation Technologies Project 2, Technology Write Up, I'll be talking about the FinTech initiative by Grab. So before we start, let's talk a bit about Grab and its history. So Grab Holdings Incorporated, or more commonly called Grab in the Southeast Asia region, is one of the first multinational technology companies. So it was founded by two great people, Anthony Tan and Tan Hui Ling, way back in 2012 as My Taxi, an alternative towards conventional taxis. Now, how did that become into a super app? Since they were the pioneers in developing a super app in the Southeast Asia region, well, they started offering more services such as their trademark transportation with GrabCar, but now they ventured into food delivery with Grab Food, and interestingly, with digital payments with GrabPay. Now, on to the next slide. This is where we get to know a bit about the birth of GSX Bank. So, on the 31st of August 2022, Grab and Singtel, Singapore Telecommunications Company, joined forces and launched Singapore's first digital bank and bundle it with their savings account. Now, you might be asking, how did they get, must through all the government ladders and everything? Well, they applied for a first full digital banking license from the Money Authority of Singapore way back in 2020. Now, they also have started venturing into other countries such as Malaysia in April 2022, where they successfully got a full digital banking license, and in January 2020, they also bought a stake in an Indonesian company to set the groundwork for their Indonesian expansion. So let's talk about the difference of GSX Bank when you compare to the other banks such as Maybank and CIMB. Now, a digital bank, it functions similarly towards your average bank. You can still do services like deposits, withdrawals, transfers, investments, loans, and the usual stuff. But in essence, the difference is basically it lacks a physical presence around the country. It doesn't have any branch office, like it doesn't have a branch office in Cyberjaya, in Kuala Lumpur, in Subang Jaya. Instead, they only have one head office, and everything is gathered and gathered there. So let's talk about the bank, AIM, GSX Bank. So they want to basically challenge the idea of what a simple savings account may accomplish to help their customers and clients. They want to basically reinvent on how a simple savings account can function. Now, the CEO of GSX Singapore, Charles Wong, says that since they're a locally based bank, they have a common goal of addressing the requirements of local entrepreneurs, gig economy workers such as food delivery riders, and also early jobbers in their community. Now, a digital bank isn't a digital bank if they don't have any digital features. So let's talk about why it's called a digital bank. So it's called digital bank because it's built to dynamically change over time to meet the expectations of our modern era lifestyle. It's like it doesn't just stay as it's an account. It can do many things, such as, for example, you can open up various like small piggy banks for you to chip in your money, a bit more like the Asian lifestyle. And aside from that, they also use a bit of data analytics. So this can be seen when they utilize specially designed data infrastructures that enables them to efficiently analyze data to produce thorough and valuable insights for the company to help you develop and refine their services to you to to help their customers and clients. Now, basically, this makes them offer a hyper personalized support through their savings accounts whenever the client or customers perform any transactions, to better understand what they actually need and how they're saving up, or they need to invest their money into other spaces. Basically, they're trying to reinvent the simple, inject a bit of data analytics into a simple savings account. Alright, so that's just basically my presentation about the FinTech initiative by Grab. And thank you so much for listening. Bye bye.